Every new driver will no doubt have experienced that moment where you've just passed your test, you're ready to hit the road, and then you get stung by a car insurance bill that looks like it's been costed for a Boeing 747 and not your little Ford Fiesta. Even if you aced your test with no minors and drive with Lewis Hamilton level precision, young and inexperienced drivers often get hit with much higher premiums. But if you're a good driver, black box car insurance could really help to keep costs low. In this video, I'm going to take you through what it is, how you can get the best deal, and whether it really is the right policy for you. Black box or telematics insurance is a specialised type of cover designed to make car insurance cheaper for safer drivers. It involves having a black box fitted into your car that will then monitor your driving performance through GPS technology. The safer you drive, the less you'll pay for cover. Studies have shown that with black box insurance, on average, young drivers could save about £150 a year. And it's not just young drivers that could save. Anyone deemed to be high risk by insurers, whether because of older age or lack of experience, could likely reduce their premiums by proving their safety skills on the road. Even with black box cover, there are loads of provider and policy options available, especially for drivers aged 17 to 25. Before you pick your provider, make sure you get the best deal by following these steps. Number 1. Start by comparing quotes for regular car insurance like third-party or comprehensive cover. You might find you actually get a great deal at this stage without the need for having a black box fitted. 2. Naturally, if none of those options work for you, start shopping around for black box insurance quotes. We've got loads of information on finder.com/UK, so head there to compare which provider would work best for you. Links are in the description below. 3. When reviewing those quotes, consider any restrictions on the policy. Some black box policies include curfews and restrictions on how far away from home you can drive. No matter how cheap the cover, if it doesn't fit within your lifestyle, it's going to add no value whatsoever. 4. If it looks like black box insurance is going to work for you, choose a policy that balances the best of those conditions with the most reasonable price within your budget. And finally, number 5, more of a bit of housekeeping than anything else. Once you've taken out your policy, make sure that you download, print or digitally file your documents in a safe place for easy access in case you have a query or need to make a claim. The benefits of taking out black box car insurance will depend on your priorities as a driver, as well as how safe you actually are on the road. Consider your lifestyle and what you actually use your car for. If you work late shifts or regularly drive long distances away from your registered home address, black box car insurance might not be for you, as these policies often include curfews and geographical restrictions. Think about how safe you actually are as a driver. Your box will monitor your car's speed, your location, the distance travelled, as well as how you handle braking and turning. Unless you stick strictly to the limit and drive super carefully, you could incur fines, and your black box could end up costing you more than it saves. Having said that, black box car insurance can actually encourage you to become a safer driver thanks to its regular feedback. It's also a tracking device, and its data can help locate a stolen car or be used as part of a claim. Unfortunately though, you cannot use black box car insurance if more than one person drives the car, as the box can only monitor the driver's performance and cannot distinguish between drivers. Ultimately, when deciding whether black box car insurance is worth it for you, it comes down to what you value most: saving money or having no restrictions on your driving. Whether you have a black box fitted or not, your priority on the road should always be to drive safely. In the UK, you're legally required to have at least third-party cover as a minimum, but the level of cover you get should always reflect your genuine needs and habits as a driver. So, are you tempted by potentially lower premiums or put off by the restrictions? We'd love to hear what you think. So leave us a comment below or visit finder.com/UK for more in-depth information and to compare which black box policy would suit you the best. Links are in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, hit the subscribe button or stay tuned for our next video here. Thanks for watching.